My good boy. This is a cornfield. Wow, this. My good boy. This one is so big. I can't get in, bro. I can't get in. Go in. Go in. Wow. This incredible eel just came out right. I didn't run into the fields. I ran into the field and couldn't find it. I found something good in this cornfield. Wow. Wow, the subway is such a loach. Wow, this. Wow, not too small. Oh my god, such a loach. Lie down. The tank is too big, my god. Wow. Pretty. One piece. Wow, two. Sanjo. There is another frog here. Another big guy, brothers. Oh, beautiful. Don't be anxious. Don't worry about your eyes. Coming, coming, coming. The loach nest is coming. This loach is beautiful. Oops, 4 big moves in a row. There's another one next to it. This dollar is the 5th item. Let's look for it again and see if it's there. Article 6. Article 7. Article 8, brothers. Ouch, Article 9. Completely crazy. Oops. Oops, Article 10. He ran out in a moment. Article 10. Article 11. I don't want this little loach anymore. This dollar. Loach has arrived. This is... Loach is a loach. So fat. There are so many loaches here. It's so rare to find an eel. You can't break a ball. See that tail? Oops, the Emperor is here. Came here on purpose. Da 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 da. Why? Another one. Not small. Wow. Wow. Actually, it's a little small here. We don't want it when it's so small. Why do you like this? Come to the cornfield to eat corn? You all hide in the cornfield. Bring it on. Cornfield, Come again. Come to the cornfield and eat corn. Yeah, this one, wow, this one is so big. Oh my god, I just saw a little tail. Another big loach. Stable. Oops. How to say eh? Hey, if I were a little loach, I wouldn't even look for you. This place costs too much money. Bring it on. It seems there is another one here. Bring it on. It would be too obvious to hide in a ditch, bro. I might not be able to find you if you hide in the fields. Wow. Why? Okay, okay. Very long, very long. Okay, we're home now and I'll show you what I've harvested. Today is indeed a bumper harvest. Mainly caused by loaches. I'll just change it to a bigger basin today. I'll share the good video with you guys. Goodbye here. It's all new places this time. Hope it's in stock. There are 2 dropped here. How come the water has receded? It's been raining lightly. The King of Hell only has a few chopsticks. Let's look at the second article. What the hell is this? This gum white sugar is definitely in stock. It's just that the internet is a bit difficult to connect to. This time we arranged 5 tests. The first one, why is it so thick? He must have eaten the emperor in his stomach. Let's look at the second article.
第3条 第
One
4条
is not as big as the third. Article 4.
怎么都是小条子
Damn it, they are all small pieces. The giant eels don't come out at all when it rains. It's a bit difficult to do.
荒唐下了2条漂网
Out of stock, this little absurdity landed 2 floating nets. I don't know if it's in stock. Let's look at the first one.
在连云港要300克1斤
I heard that this shit shellwave costs 300 grams per pound in Lianyungan. Absolutely good stuff. The water is quite deep here. I don't believe I don't have sunscreen. Did you see?
有
2.
一条好像不对劲
Something seems wrong.
寄托在这口荒唐了
It's ridiculous to pin your last hope on this mouth. The first one. Started a network article too. This pig is so annoying. Shit, I still wash the dishes. Item 3.
第3条
I have to wash this bowl again when I get back. Article 4. Clothes. I don't believe there is that thing in the middle of this hall. Didn't expect it. I still have a hand. The last one is in this little puddle. I feel like this is definitely a Tyrannosaurus. Why just one? Impressed. I put the spicy strips I made by mistake today home to look for my son. Today is really pitiful. Not enough to eat. This crab's claws are quite big and cute, isn't it?
可爱不？
Bobby 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 Bo.